हेलो। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। This is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. हेलो रमेश सर, नमस्कार। नमस्कार प्रभास जी, कैसे हैं आप दोनों? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। एज पर यस राजेश सक्सेना जी, वह डॉक्टर राजेश is my student who has just completed his PhD from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Proud to see you, Rajesh. Dr. Rajesh, thank you for connecting with me on this live session. So, as you know that every day on a certain time at 9:10 p.m. I appear before you through Facebook Live, and the target is to help to those students who are in lockdown and they are unable to contact their teachers, and they have some planning, they want to do something, they have to sit in the coming IIT JEE examination, or they have to complete their 11th or 12th syllabus. So, keeping in mind all these facts, how are you, Pulast? Fine. So, keeping all these facts in mind, I have taken this initiative and I have finished set theory and then algebra, and now we are discussing about trigonometry. So students, in today's class I will discuss about properties of triangle, and yesterday I was discussing about sine formula. So let us revise once. The statement of sine formula was, for any triangle ABC, A upon sine A means small a upon sine capital A means side A divided by sine of angle A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. This was the one format of sine formula, and the another form of this formula was, as I had already discussed, for any triangle ABC, the sides of a triangle are directly proportional to the adjacent angles of the sine of the triangle. We have already discussed yesterday about sine formula and cosine formula. आफ्ताब भाई, हाउ आर यू? ईद मुबारक हो आपको. थैंक यू फॉर connecting with me in this session. Please pass this information to the students who are preparing for engineering entrance examination or who are preparing for their 11th-12th examination. This session may be important for them, and my exercise is for them only. So I am discussing about that I have already completed sine formula and cosine formula. Now today the topic we shall discuss, please note, half angle formulae. Please note down half, HALF, half angle formulae. The plural of formula is formulae. FORMULAE, half angle formulae. So in half angle formulae means, suppose you have a triangle ABC, draw a triangle ABC. Please draw a triangle ABC on your copy. Suppose this is A on the top, then B, and then C. Then first half angle formula means what? First is for sine, means sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. You have to find the sine of half angle of all these three angles. First, in first case, you have to find sine formula in the form of half angle. Means you have to find sine A by 2 is what, sine B by 2 is what, sine C by 2 is what. And the second theorem of half angle is, you have to find cos A by 2, comma, cos B by 2, comma, cos C by 2. This is the half formula for cos. And for tan, these are the major three trigonometrical ratios as sine, cos and tan. So sine, for sine you have seen sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2. You have to find the value of these all. And for cos, you have to find cos A by 2, cos B by 2 and cos C by 2. And for tan, you have to find tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2. So one by one, please let us write. If someone is asking that what is the value of sine A, sine A by 2, then I hope that you are recalling, or you may recall, that its value is S minus B into S minus C divided by B into C root under whole. Means sine A by 2 is what? If you are taking A by 2, capital A divided by 2, then the result you are finding is under root S minus B. S for sides. S minus B, B means small b, into S minus C, small means small c, S minus C, and divided by, you see, in S minus B here is B, and in S minus C here is C. Then multiply these B and C. In the denominator you will be finding B into C. So this is what? This is the value of sin A by 2. This is the sin, means the first form of asking this theorem is what? Find the value of sin A by 2. First, enough. This is the question. Find the value of, please note down, for any triangle ABC, for any triangle ABC, find the value of sin A by 2, comma, sin B by 2, comma, sin C by 2. Generally, either of one is asked in your school level examination or in your plus 2 level examination. So, and the other form that may be for you is that prove that in any triangle ABC, sin A by 2 is equal to under root S minus B into S minus C divided by B into C. Haridayal ji, this is information for you that if your colleagues are preparing for any competitive examination, whether that is for UPSC or Bihar Public Service Commission or in any state public service commission, they have to utilize this formula that if two sides, or you can say three sides of a triangles are triangles, if three sides of a triangle are given, then how to find half of the angle of this triangle. You know well, in any triangle there are three angles. So it may be asked that find the half of the angle A, or find the half of the angle B, or find the half of the angle C. In that circumstance, you can use this formula. You can use this formula. This is what? This is sin A by 2 is equal to sin A by 2 is equal to under root S minus B into S minus C divided by BC. And the second result for the sin is also, this is sin B by 2. Suppose you have to find sin B by 2. Then if here is B, then be sure there will not be any application of B in the right hand side. Means it will give you what? S minus A, S minus C divided by A into C under root. See the adventure of this formula. If in LHS you have used capital B, means angle B divided by 2. You have written sin angle B divided by 2 is equal to under root. Since already you have taken B in the LHS, so note it, you don't have to use B in the right hand side. So if you are not going to use B side, then name the sides you have to use. You have to use A and C. So in RHS, what is the result? Result is S minus A into S minus C. And since you have subtracted A and C, so there will be multiplication of A and C in the denominator. This is the result, sin B by 2. And sin C by 2 will be what? Apply the same methodology, apply the same trick. If you are writing capital C here, then keep in your mind that you don't have to use C in the right hand side. So if you if you don't have to use the side C, then the only sides you have left with are what? A and B. So this will be what? S minus A into S minus B. Here are A and B, so divided by A into B under root. So these are the values of half angle of sine. So just I am discussing with you on the problem part of the theory only. Means I have yet to give the solution of these problems, these theories. So what theorem we are discussing? We are discussing the first theorem of today's lecture is to find the half angle of sine, means to find the value of sine A by 2, comma sine B by 2 and sine C by 2. Or in another language, this question may be as: prove that sine A by 2 is equal to under root S minus B into S minus C divided by B into C, and sine B by 2 is equal to under root S minus A into S minus C divided by AC. Namaste Sarvesh Singh ji. Then if you have to find the value of sine C by 2, then its value will be what? It will be under root S minus A into S minus B divided by A into B. Now let us come on the solution part of this theory. So first of all, we are proceeding in the direction to find the value of sine A by 2. For this, please start writing the solution. Let us write, please start writing. In any triangle ABC, please write, in any triangle ABC, we know that A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to. Namaskar Javed sir, Eid Mubarak. How are you Javed sir? I hope you are well and you are in Aligarh Muslim University. I miss you sir. Actually in this lockdown I have taken an initiative and I am trying to teach some students of, you can say, having less communication and they are from rural background or they are in such a position that they are helpless right now. So I have started to teach them mathematics for IIT JEE or any engineering entrance examination. In this series, today I am discussing the chapter of trigonometry, that is properties of triangle, and this is the second day of this chapter. Yesterday I discussed two theorems and today I am discussing about half angle of sine, half angle of cosine and half angle of tangent. Thanks for connecting with me sir. So come on the answer. As you have written that in any triangle ABC, A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to K. This may be written as A is equal to a small a is equal to K into sine A. Please write. a small b is equal to k into sin b just by apply simple cross multiplication, and a small c is equal to k sin c. You can write this. You can also write that we also know that in any triangle ABC, a student you should draw a triangle ABC. A should be written on the top and B and C should be in the bottom of the triangle ABC. We also know that in any triangle ABC, cos A is equal to, means cosine formula, B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Cos A is what? Yesterday I have already derived this result. You have written cos angle A, capital A. Cos A is equal to B square. B means small b, means side. B square plus C square means side square. C side square minus A square. Here A is also side. And divided by 2 into a small b into a small c. Take it as equation 1. I hope students till this step you all are clear. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I shall try to make it more practical and convincing for you in case of your any confusion. So what we have written? We have written cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2B into C. Now, since you have to get the result in the half angle sin A by 2, see on the result, you have to find the value of sin A by 2. So think how we can get sin A by 2. Yes, please write. You write here, since we know that in any triangle ABC, 1 minus cos A, capital A, 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2. 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2. Here A in LHS is capital A and A by 2 in RHS is also capital A. So 1 minus cos A is what? This is equal to 2 into sin square A by 2. Now put the value of cos A from equation 1 in this result. What you will find? You will find 1 minus cos A means, put the value of cos A. This is under bracket B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC is equal to, in RHS, 2 sin square A by 2. Students, you are advised that you should write step by step, and I have already said you that in case of any query, you should drop your mobile number on this WhatsApp number, and you can connect. I can connect with you with my Google Class, and through Google Class I can share you the study material also. Here through Facebook it is not possible to share the study material. So you should just write and you should try to understand with the help of the result and with the help of the figure. So this facility is free of cost for you. Whether you are from UP or MP or from Karnataka or Kerala or Bihar or Rajasthan, there is no any geographical differences, there is no any discrimination. You may be from USA also. If you are listening me, you should try to understand, and if you have any query, you should write your query to me. I shall try to resolve your query. So what I have written here? I have written here 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sine square A by 2, and I have just substituted the value of cosine, that is BA square plus CA square minus A square divided by 2BC. Now take its LCM. 2BC, here LCM will be 2BC in LHS, and then 2BC will be multiplied to 1, then this will give you 2BC minus BA square, break the bracket, minus BA square minus CA square minus A square will be plus A square, and then this will be 2 sine square A by 2. So one thing you are observing here in your LHS result, that you have written 2BC minus BA square minus CA square. Please see on these three terms. If you take minus h common from these three, I hope this will be in the form of a standard formula of your school life, school level, that is A minus B whole square, like that. So take minus h common from these three factors, then this will be what? Plus BA square plus CA square minus 2BC, and here will be plus A square divided by 2BC is equal to 2 sine square A by 2. Then this minus is out of the bracket, and this will be what? BA square plus CA square minus 2BC. This will be B minus C whole square plus A square divided by 2BC is equal to 2 sine square A by 2. Now change the design of this result. Then what you will be finding here? You will be finding as A square, firstly write the positive part, A square minus B minus C whole square divided by 2BC is equal to 2 sine square A by 2. So we are very nearer to the result. This is in the standard form A square minus B square. So what will be the result? You know well, the formula of A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. So this will be what? This will be A square means A plus B means A plus B minus C, and then into A minus B, A minus of minus B minus C, then A minus B plus C divided by 2BC is equal to 2 sine square A by 2. Take it as equation 3. We are considering A plus B into C into, under first bracket, A minus B plus C divided by 2BC is equal to 2 into sine square A by 2 as equation 3. Why? Because we have to apply something new here. Something new means something new result we are going to put here. Please write, since we know that in any triangle ABC, S is equal to the semi-perimeter of the triangle. S is equal to a small a plus a small b plus a small c, means all three sides divided by 2. S is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. This implies that 2s is equal to, by cross multiplication, a plus b plus c. Now see the result 3, as you have considered equation 3, there is a plus b. So find the value of a plus b from this result. So what will be this? This will be 2s minus c is equal to a plus b. Take it as equation 4. So you have find a plus b from the first factor of equation 3. Now in second factor of equation 3, please see in LHS there is a plus c also. There is a plus c also. So how to find a plus c? Just by the similar process. Here a plus c means 2s minus b is equal to 2s minus b is equal to a plus c. This is equation 5th. Now substitute these two values in equation 3. Please write. You have derived 2s minus c is equal to a plus b in equation 4, and 2s minus b is equal to a plus c in equation 5th. Then substitute these two values in equation 3. So what will be the result? The result will be, in the place of a plus b, you have to write what? You have to write 2s minus c, and there is also minus c. So this will be 2s minus c minus c. Again a plus c is what? It will be 2s minus b, and there is another minus b there also. So this will be 2s minus b divided by 2bc divided by 2bc is equal to 2 sine square a by 2. So now simplify this result. 2s is as usual minus c, and minus c will be minus 2c into 2s minus b, and minus b will be minus 2b divided by 2bc is equal to 2 sine square a by 2. Now take 2 as common from both of the bracket in LHS. There is 2. Here is 2s minus 2c and 2s minus 2b. So take 2 common from the first bracket, then this implies 2 into s minus a. Namaskar Manoj sir. 2 into s minus a. Again take 2 as common, then s minus b divided by 2bc is equal to 2 sine square a by 2. 2 sine square a by 2. We are discussing the chapter. The name of the chapter is what? Properties of triangle. This is the name of the chapter we are discussing. We are discussing the chapter Properties of Triangle. This is very, very important for any engineering entrance examination, as well as this is the part of the syllabus of 11th mathematics This may be frequently becomes this question from this chapter frequently asked in the different other job oriented examination. So students, you are advised that kindly pay attention and try to learn. Now the result we have obtained here is what? 2 into s minus c into 2 into s minus b divided by 2 into b into c is equal to 2 into sine square a by 2. You can now cancel. In denominator there is 2, so 2 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator will be cancelled. And in RHS there is 2 and in LHS there is also a factor 2. This will be cancelled. So finally this implies your result will be what? This will be s minus b into s minus c divided by b into c is equal to sine square a by 2. Now if you remove a square from there, then here will be plus minus under root s minus b into s minus c divided by bc is equal to sine a by 2. Now students, you have to see here, this result is for your multiple choice question. You have received sine a by 2. Please see, you have received the result. Sine a by 2 is equal to plus minus under root s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. The thing that is important forever for you is to number. Again I am giving my number 8292994178. 8292994178. Perhaps the number I earlier given you, that was bearing 9 digits. So Mr. Vivek Kumar Singhar ji is written that number 9 digit का ही चाचा. So भतीजा, मैं आपको अब 10 डिजिट का नंबर दे दिया हूँ. Now you can give me any message on this number and I try to see you happy. So I have just recently, immediately I have accepted your request. So here sine a by 2 is what? Sine a by 2 is equal to, I am just, please don't deviate me, I am writing here sine a by 2 is equal to plus minus root under s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. I was just trying to say you that here is sign of plus and minus. Kindly recall, you have written in your theorem that in any triangle ABC, what you have written? You have written in any triangle ABC. Means this triangle may be either acute angle triangle or right angle triangle or obtuse angle triangle. If acute angle triangle is this, if this is an acute angle triangle, then there is no problem, every angle is less than 90 degree. So if a by 2 you are doing, then this will be less than 90 degree divided by 2 means less than 45 degree. Every angle will be less than 45 degree in case of acute angle triangle. So in that circumstance the value of sine will be positive, because you know the value of sine 0, sine 45, the value of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90 all are positive. Means the value of sine is positive from 0 to 90, in the domain 0 to 90. So here we have plus and minus both result. So you can write here, please write a logic that, please start writing. Since capital A is one of the angles, since capital A is the one of the angles of triangle ABC, so it will be less than 90 degree. कैपिटल ए क्या है? त्रिभुज का कोई एक कोण है तो 90 डिग्री से छोटा ही होगा ना. सिंस कैपिटल ए इज ए पार्टिकुलर एंगल ऑफ एनी ट्रायंगल ABC, so it will be less than 90 degree. Therefore A by 2 will must be less than 45 degree. That is A by 2, that is sin A by 2 is always positive. Sin A by 2 is always positive. So therefore, now come on the final conclusion of this theorem. So sin A by 2 is equal to, Namaskar Subhash ji. So sin A by 2 is equal to S minus B into S minus C divided by P into C under root. Student, I hope that you have enjoyed this derivation. You have understand that what are the steps have been involved in deriving this result, means how this became possible to find the value of half angle of sine, means how we have derived the value of sine A by 2. Similar process you can apply for finding sine B by 2. Just you have to replace A by 2 by B by 2. So frequently and consequently the result in RHS will also be changed, and you have to write the cosine formula accordingly and the result of cosine accordingly. So in that case sin B by 2 will be what? It will be S minus A into S minus C divided by B into C. Similarly, I have written similarly because we have already derived one part of this theorem. And sin C by 2 will be what? It will be it will be S minus A into S minus B divided by AB under root. स्टूडेंट्स, आप शायद थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं कर रहे होंगे. आपको ये लग रहा होगा कि पूरी की पूरी बातें इंग्लिश में क्यों कही जा रही है. फेसबुक हमारे इस लेक्चर को स्ट्रीमिंग कर रहा है, जो दुनिया के सैकड़ों देशों के बच्चे सुन रहे हैं, पेरेंट्स सुन रहे हैं. देन इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर them to understand Hindi. It is why I am trying to deliver the lecture in English only, but trying to use simplest English so that each and every student of village, rural area can also understand or try to understand, because unless and until you are not comfortable in English, it becomes very difficult for you to study the science and technology in future, because there are very less publication of books in Hindi for science and technology. Kindly Keep this fact in your mind. There are no books of engineering that has been written in Hindi. So how it will be possible for you to understand that book? So gradually you should try to improve your English. It is not a very you can say harder task for any student. You have to just keep patience. You have to just be a positive attitude regarding your language, and language is not a matter is the real expression you want to express in your copy that is evaluated in the examination. Though in IIT JEE examination the question papers are in Hindi and English both, and in class we also try to communicate with the students in bilingual form, because in that very circumstance we become able to understand that the number of students present in class are whether they are comfortable in English or in Hindi or in both. But through this Facebook live session, I don't know who a student is listening and what is his mother tongue, whether he is comfortable in understanding Hindi or not. So please help me in this exercise. So students, now I hope that you have enjoyed the first theorem of today's lecture, that is how to find half angle of sine. Means how to find the value of sine A by 2, the value of sine B by 2, and the value of sine C by 2. I hope that this is interesting and important for you. Since properties of triangle, this chapter is of trigonometry and this is a larger chapter of trigonometry. This is in 11th. Either you are a student from Bihar board or Rajasthan or Uttar Pradesh or CBSE or ICSE board or whatever may be the name of the board, I don't know. But in every board there is a chapter properties of triangle, and this is very very important for the application of study of other engineering also. So tomorrow I shall discuss about how to find the value of Namaskar Bharat sir. Namaskar. Tomorrow we shall discuss that how to find the value of cos A by 2, cos B by 2 and cos C by 2. So I suggest you that kindly you write the next theorem and you should try to study yourself, and tomorrow I will be discussing about that. So what is the theorem? Please write. For any triangle ABC, please write. Bharat sir, we are discussing the chapter properties of triangle for the students of 11th or those who are preparing for IIT JEE examination in this Facebook live session. This is for your kind information. So please write the theorem for tomorrow. For any triangle ABC, find cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. Bharat sir, you ask your son to join this Facebook live. I used to visit every day at 9-10 p.m. and this is very very important for all the students who are preparing for engineering entrance examination, or they are in 11th or 12th. You also pass this information to your school student, those who are under lockdown and unable to understand their mathematics and other problems. I hope this session will help them more. So we have to find cos A by 2, cos B by 2 and cos C by 2. Means we shall discuss half angle formula for cosine. What? We shall discuss half angle formula for cosine. This will be the part of my discussion for tomorrow, as well as if time will allow, I shall find the value of tan A by 2, tan B by 2, capital A and capital B, tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2, means half angle for tangent also. Today we derived sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2, means half angle for sine. Tomorrow we have to discuss on cos A by 2 and tan A by 2. I hope, since today we have devoted maximum time on deriving this result of sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. So the lecture for tomorrow will be easy for you if you are coming tomorrow with me after exercising all these theorems. Thank you for joining me, listening me and enjoying this lecture. Again at 9-10 p.m. tomorrow I will be before you with Facebook Live. If you have any query, you should drop your message on the given WhatsApp number. You can join me on my free Google class also, where you can ask me, you can interact me directly. This facility is free of cost. This facility is for all the students, whether she or he is in India or in abroad. My target is to join with 1500 students at a time on the Google. If you have any query, feel free to join me and I will help you. Right now I am in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, and our university is also initiating by implementing digital version 2.0. You should visit the website of the university, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. University is also giving COVID-19 subsidy to the girls who are interested to get their admission in either Ayurveda or homeopath, means any medical course excluding MBBS, management, commerce, law, engineering, education, B.Ed, M.Ed, pharmacy, engineering, fashion, interior, journalism. This university have all the technical and professional programs, and university is promoting the women's education due to the lockdown. Thank you for joining this session. Good night. Jai Hind.